Let's learn how to find the difference between two sets in Python. So here we have two sets of bands, and you can see that 𝗦ici𝗰𝗶𝗹 and pavement exist in both of the sets. So if we wanted to ask the question, what is in bands 1 that's not in bands 2? That's a set difference operation. Now to find the difference, I'm going to set a variable called diff, and we'll call bands1.difference, and the difference function exists on sets in Python, and we pass to that bands 2, and then we can print that to the terminal and execute, and we see that the difference is 𝗰cie𝗰𝗶𝗹, and that's because that's the only element that exists in bands 1 that is not in bands 2. Now there's an alternative syntax for this. There's an operator in Python, and it's the minus operator. So when that's applied to two sets, it will compute the difference between the sets. So if we execute that, we get back the same result, and we can invert that. We can say what is in bands 2 that is not in bands 1, and if we now print that, we get Black Sabbath, and that's because that's the only band in bands 2 that is not already in bands 1.